This is test number 1. I have a machine vision lens. It's focused right here. That's 1 meter away from the lens, the front nodal point of the lens. And it's coming down at a 15-degree angle. The grid on here is 10 centimeters from here to here. These objects here are grinding discs I'm just using. They're roughly 4 centimeters in diameter and 1 centimeter high. And this is some figure skating attachments. All these are all the same size. That's an alignment disc. Anyways, this is a machine vision lens, a 55 millimeter Computar with a C mount, and I'm just doing a test versus a normal lens. So it's looking down at 15 degrees right now, and I'm going to turn it off. And we're going to put a normal 50 millimeter lens on there. Okay, here's a normal lens. When I say normal, this is a non-telecentric lens, regular cinema lens. It's all the Aeroflex Planar. And again, the focus point is right here, 1 meter away. And both lenses right now are at f8. And this is a non-telecentric lens, in the sense that telecentric means that when you go farther away, this object should appear smaller than this object. The telecentric lens tends to try to make these objects appear to be roughly the same size for machine vision in order to pick up parts. So this is 1 meter from the lens, the nodal point of the lens, and it's coming down at a 15-degree angle. Okay, I'm doing a test of a telecentric lens that's in the object space. It's a machine vision lens. It's called a Computar, 55 millimeter. It's got a C mount, and I've got some objects spaced here, and I'm shooting from 1 meter away and at a 15-degree oblique angle here. This lens is I think the list for around 400. I bought this one used on eBay a while back. I think for like 100, 120 or something like that, 80, somewhere in that range. Has a C mount. It won't focus to infinity. It'll focus to roughly about 2 meters. Has a weird focus mount that you pull back in and pull back out. You lock it down, and you have a little bit of fine tuning by turning this. But you have to lock this down because it will droop like this due to gravity. Of course, this is for close-up, and this is as far as it'll go. Now it'll focus probably to infinity with a non-4/3 adapter, but with this, all those 4/3 to C-mount lenses adapters I've tried, it won't focus to infinity. Anyways, this tabletop setup, I've got some objects here. I've got a grid that's 10 centimeters square. These grinding discs off a Spark skate sharpener, they're 4 centimeters in diameter, 1 centimeter high. I've got them on the grid. And this D distance here, on the first test and second test, I used 1 meter away to this focus point, and then the lens is down here like this. And these little three-dimensional devices are some figure skating adapter pieces for the Sparks unit, and I just put them in there just to be kind of neat. But I'm doing an A/B test between this telecentric lens and a regular Aeroflex 50 millimeter planar lens, Owen off an Aeroflex, versus this telecentric lens. And I've got 2 tests that follow after this.